finally here, first test drive. So I got the car warming up, which you can probably hear in the background, but we got it warming up. As soon as I verify the fans and stuff still work on the radiator, we're going to go take it for a test rip. Brakes still suck. I can't get a good brake pedal, but we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to go see how it goes, and I still got to figure out the front bumper and stuff. But as you can see, we got hood pins, we got headlights, we got to warm it up. So I'm just waiting for the fans to come on, and once they come on, we'll go for a ride. So we got the rear bumper bolted on, and ooh, I still got to do lug nuts. That would have been funny. So I've only got 2 lug nuts on each wheel. So let me go grab my lug nuts and get those torqued while it's warming up, and then we'll get going.
It's looking good. Four-point harness, 5-point harness. Gotta get the extra one in there.
All right, so we're in the Falcon. Got a temporary fire extinguisher. Still got a lot of little work to do, but we're going on a test rip. Got my game, my dash working, so I can keep track of my temps and all that stuff. Everything seems to be working well. My true boost ain't working. I gotta figure that out. For my Hitmaster isn't working, so I don't know if I pulled a wire loose or what, but we gotta figure that out. But anyway, we're gonna go on a test rip. We're gonna go stop and get some fuel and see how this thing goes. All right, so just stopped and got gas and gonna continue the test drive. So far so good. So pretty stoked. So we'll see how this thing goes. All right, so we're about 10 minutes in. Temperature's doing great. Still got a few things to work out. Got my clutch is grabbing really close to the bottom, so I got to figure that out. And the transmission doesn't seem to like to shift into third, but that might be because it has so many miles. But anyway, still happy. Everything's still looking good, so pretty excited. And we'll keep at this thing. And the brakes suck, which I think it's just the old master cylinder. So I'm going to order a new master cylinder from Rock Auto and get that thing on, and then hopefully later this week we'll drive it to work, and we'll go from there.